In this video, I'll show you how to schedule emails in Google Mail and Outlook. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Mail and Outlook on your device. So first, I'll show you how you can schedule your emails using Outlook. Go ahead and open your Outlook account and sign into your account. On the new mail button at the top left of your screen and select mail. And here, go ahead and view this in full screen and that will redirect you into the section. So go ahead and enter the username of the user to whom you want to send your email to from Outlook. Add a subject head and add your description to your email. Now, once you're done with this, you can go ahead and click on the Options tab beside the Draw tab. So click on that and click on the Send icon at the top left of your screen to schedule your message. And here you can customize the time and date when you want to send this email to that specific user and hit on the Send button to successfully schedule this Outlook email. That mail would be labeled as scheduled on your drafts. Now, I'm going to show you how you can schedule your emails in Google Mail. So go ahead and open Gmail on your browser. And here, go ahead and click on that Compose button, which you'll find at the top left corner of your screen to compose an email on Google Mail. So in here, go ahead and enter the name of the user to whom you want to send the email to in the To section and create the subject line for your email along with the description of your email. Now, once you're done with this, click on that button beside the Send button to be able to find the Schedule button. So click on that and click on the Schedule Send button so you can go ahead and pick the date and time of when you want the message to be sent to that specific user. So you can find that message under the Schedule tab. And that is how you can simply schedule emails in Google Mail and Outlook. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.